Okay, the today's topic is how to troubleshoot network issues, and the scenario is like this. Assume that you're in an office where 20 members are working and 90 members are getting internet, only one person is not getting the internet. This is the scenario. So the first step is check LAN port. We also call it as RJ45 port. Check the LED is blinking or not. If it's not blinking, we have to remove that RJ45 connector and we have to connect it back. If still it is not blinking, means we have to troubleshoot with enable and disabling. Okay, let's learn how to disable and enable network adapter. For that, first go to this network settings, network icon, right click, network settings. So here we have change adapter option. Select this one. Here is our adapter. If Wi-Fi is there, means it will show here. Only LAN port is there, so it is showing here. Right click, disable. So it is disabled now, you can see. Now make it enable. After enabling and disabling, now we have to check PC is assigned IP address or not. In this case, go to Windows key plus R key, type CMD, hit enter, use command Ipconfig, hit enter. You can see that the machine is taken, IP address is taken. In this case, everything is working fine. If IP address is not taken, then we have to troubleshoot with NIC card. For that, we have to use a command called loopback address. Okay, so how to use loopback address? Type ping space 127.0.0.1, hit enter. So you can see, so here you can see that packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. If the lost is 100%, here it is showing 0%. If it is 100%, means our NIC card is not working. So we have to troubleshoot with NIC card in this case. Okay. If internet is not there, I will show you. This is our internet icon. Right click, network settings, change adapter options, internet. Okay, let's disable this one. Okay, minimize. So you can see that our internet is stopped. Minimize. If I still use the ipconfig command, ipconfig, okay, so internet is disabled. So I'm using loopback address now, ping. Okay, so you can see that without internet still it is working, means it can test our NIC card, our RJ45 jack or RJ45 port. Without internet we can test that. If it is showing 0 lost, means our NIC card is working. If it is showing 100% lost, means our NIC card is not working. While testing loopback address, if the NIC card failed, we don't need to replace entire motherboard. We can purchase add-on cards like VGA cards, HDMI cards, audio ports, audio cards, TV tuner cards, and LAN port cards. Motherboard also comes with the PCI slots. We can use that slot for our VGA cards, HDMI cards, audio ports, and for LAN ports. So we don't need to purchase a new motherboard. In this case, we can use that port to troubleshoot the NIC issue or LAN port issue. So when the NIC card is started working and 0 lost is showing in command prompt using loopback address, now it's time to check the LAN cable. So LAN cable comes with two ends, one end which connects our computer, one end which connects switch. So how to test the LAN cable now? So for that we need a LAN tester. Okay, how to use the LAN tester? So one end which connects our PC connects here. Okay, and right now this is a small cable. In lab environment, in company environment, the cable will be very long. So another end which connects switch, that connects here. Okay, after connecting these two ends, we have to turn on these two things, turn on the LAN tester. Okay, so we have to check the LEDs. If the LEDs, all LEDs are glowing, means the LAN cable is working fine. Right now this is a working LAN cable, so all the LEDs are glowing. So if one of these LEDs are not glowing, in this case we have to cut this cable, we have to color code this jack. Okay, and we have to test it once again. If still it is not working, means we have to cut another cable and we have to color code this jack again. Then we have to test it. Then it will show that the cable is working fine and our NIC card is also working fine. By using loopback address, we came to know that the NIC is working, the cable is working. So now maybe it's issue with the switch. So in switch we have to change the port. There are 24 ports. So we have to remove that jack from there, RJ45 connector, and connect it to another port. By doing these all steps, we will understand how to troubleshoot a network.